Optimizing the installation loop for Valorant can enhance your gaming experience and reduce frustration. Follow these steps to ensure a smoother installation process. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Valorant. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and available storage space. Step 2. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background before starting the installation. This can free up system resources and improve installation speed. Step 3. Run as administrator. Right-click on the Valorant installer and select Run as administrator. This can help prevent permission issues that may cause the installation loop. Step 4. Clear temporary files. Use the disk cleanup tool to remove temporary files from your system. This can help resolve conflicts that might be causing the installation to loop. Step 5. Reinstall Riot Client. If the problem persists, uninstall the Riot Client completely and then download and install the latest version from the official website. This can fix any corrupted files that may be causing the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to optimize your Valorant installation process and enjoy the game without interruptions.